We're going to start here. It's only 3 loops wide, so with the connection, then you're going to chain 2, which gives you your 3, and you're going to travel all the way up. So what's going to happen is that this will be the final of the width and the height. So if you wanted to add more boxes to the top, you can. So if you wanted to just start here and then add another box to the top of here, you can. That's up to you. You'll have to determine the height, and the width you already know is 6. So we're going to begin here and work our way going up. So with your new yarn, you just come on to the side of the edge and you get the back loop only on the first row. Join it with the slip stitch. And we know that there's only 3 loops, so this is considered 1, and chain 2, and chain is 3. And now we're going to come second chain from the hook and connect. And what we want to do is that we want to get the first back loop that you've already connected to. So come from the front side in, pull through. So there's your 3 loops that you need. And because you've already connected, you're going to pull through 2s all the way back. So it's going to be really quite quick when it's narrow like this. So you grab the next loop here, forward pass, and then the next back loop here. And then pull through 2, so all the way back. Okay, so I'll see you closer to the top of this side of the box. I'll be right back. So I have the number of rows that I need. It was total 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half. And so the bind off then is going to go over to the connection and to both loops on the top of the next box. And that gets you started for this one. So we know that according to the diagram, it's going to be a total of 4 loops. But if you can collect what you can see, it's just automatically going to be 4 loops. And remember, the 4th one is the back loop of the next box of the connection. And pull through 2s all the way back. Because the sample is small, it's rolling. But when it gets bigger, it gets easier to deal with. So then just start going your forward passes. You know it's only 4. But once you've established underneath that you see, you don't really got to count, you just got to do it. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to meet me at the top of this box here, and we'll keep moving forward. So I'm now at the top of this box, so I'm going to bind off to finish the number of rows I needed in the height. Don't forget to go to the connection and to both loops of the first one. And then we know that this is 5 loops wide. But if you follow with what you can see below, it's going to happen anyway. So you got your 4 and then your back loop of the next connection spot. And there's your 5. Okay, so I'll see you at the top of the next box in a moment. So I have my next one done. You can either trust or count. You decide, let me know in the comments what you decided to do. And you are going to come and bind off. And go to the 2, and we still have another box to create. Okay, and that one is a total of 6 loops, but if you're following with what you can see, it's just going to happen anyway. And so this particular new box is only going to be 4 rows tall. And don't forget to come into that side. Got it. And this one here, if you recall, was 6 loops, and there's nothing to connect to, so just pull through 1 and then 2s all the way back. I'll see you when 3.5 rows are complete to finish off this box. So if I didn't want to add any more boxes, I would have just finished right here so that I could stop that, and we'll be showing you that in the next tutorial anyway. So let's just get 3.5 rows done, and I'll be right back. So I had 3.5 rows complete, so I needed 4, so then the bind off is the 4th row. Okay, and that will complete this particular diagonal. Don't forget to come into that chain 1 at the end and finish off. And what we're going to do is restart again and with another color, and this time I don't want to grow any more width, so if you're tired of growing it outwise, you're just going to start and build up here, and then you're just going to keep on going. So you can either start here and then add more boxes to make it more rectangle, or you can just stop right where I'm going to start making it come to a point to the finish line.